Hi, welcome to my video about unboxing the Nest Cam, the indoor version. So got this from Amazon today to replace a couple of cameras I've got. I'm using some TP-Link camera at the moment, and I'd like it to replace it. I've already got a Nest doorbell, Google doorbell, so basically I want all the CCTV footage all in one place. So here we go. Okay, nice little box. Difficult part. There we go. Neatly boxed, very safe. So you see that's the camera there. Oh, the base is a heavy metal. Quite heavy actually, surprisingly heavy. QR code for the camera. Let's put that down there. Let's see what accessories we've got in here. Getting started manuals. Got the power cable. Looks like it's a good 2 to 3 meters, I suspect. Let's see if it tells you in the box. Yeah, 3 meters for the cable. And we've got the power supply, USB and a micro USB for cable. We've also got a screw plate to mount your Nest camera. And we've also got some screws to go in the brackets here. And that looks like it. So thank you for watching.